Good afternoon, students. Today, I want to study about the reproductive health. According to World Health Organization (WHO), reproductive health means total well-being in all aspects of reproduction. Its emotional, behavioral, and social aspects, along with the physical ones. Therefore, a society with the people having physical and functionally normal, that is the reproductive organs, and normal emotional and behavioral interactions amongst them in all sex related aspects might it is called reproductive health society. Now, of all the society's goals of India, an important one is to attain total reproductive health. In India was amongst the first few countries in the world to initiate action plans and programs at a national level to improve reproductive health. All these improved programs cover wider area related to reproduction. These programs are currently in operation under the reproductive and child health care. Child health care, that is called as the RCH programs. RCH means the reproductive and health child health care. Now, next it is the goals of RCH program. Now, some importance about the in workout about WHO. The important that is the programs it is conducted by the WHO. So first it is the goals of RCH programs, reproductive and child health care. First, to create awareness among people about various aspects related to reproduction. So awareness it is the taken for the this RCH program for related to the reproduction. To provide the facilities to people to understand and build up reproductive health. To provide support for building up a reproductive healthy society. And fourth one, to bring about a change mainly in three criterial health indicators, that is reducing total infertility rate, infant mortality rate, and maternal mortality rate, birth rate it is. So next the goals of RCH can be achieved by the following ways. Following points are: first it is by introduction of sex education in school. So school it is the mainly sex education can be provided. Schools should be encouraged to provide correct information to the young so as to discourage children from believing in myths and clear the misconception about sex related aspects. Proper information about safe and hygienic sexual practices, sexually transmitted diseases, STD, AIDS like this, problems related to adolescence and proper information about reproductive organs. All these are the can be goals for the achievement. Second, with the help of audio, visual, and the print media, government and non-government organizations should take various steps to create awareness about various aspects related to reproduction. Now, third one, by educating the younger generation about birth control measures, prenatal care of pregnant women, and postnatal care of the mother and child, importance of breastfeeding. This can be third point. Fourth point, by developing awareness about problems arising due to uncontrolled population growth, social evils like sex abortion and sex related crimes, and take up necessary steps to prevent them. Fifth, by creating awareness about statutory ban on amniocentesis for sex determination. Sixth one, by creating awareness about child immunization programs. And seventh, that is by educating couples to reduce mortality rate of newborn and maternal mortality rate. So birth rate, it is education for the compulsory for reducing mortality rate. Next one, the population in India, which was the approximately 350 millions at the time of the independence, reached close to a billion marks by 2000 and across 1.2 million in May 2011. Now in 2020, population of India has crossed 1.35 billions. The government is taking serious measures to check this population growth. The most important step to overcome these problems is to motivate society to have small families by using various birth control methods. Now, birth control. The birth control means measures which deliberately prevent the fertilization are referred to as contraceptive. The contraceptive methods help to prevent unwanted pregnancies. An ideal contraceptive should be easily available, user friendly, effective, and with none or least side effects. Contraceptive methods are of two main types. First one is the temporary method and second one is the permanent method. Now first, temporary methods. First, temporary method. These are the following types. First, it is the natural method or safe period or rhythm method. In this method, the natural method, the principle of avoiding chances of fertilization is used. A week before and a week after menstrual bleeding is considered the safe period for sexual intercourse. This idea is based on the facts that ovulation occurs on the 14th day of menstrual cycle. Its drawback lies in having a high rate of failure. So ovulation, that is the 14th day, it comes in that ovum in the fallopian tube, and that time that is the fertilization can take place. So avoid this for the main. Okay, next the second one, coitus, that is the interrupture or that is the withdrawal. In this method, the male partner withdraws his penis from the vagina just before ejaculation, so as to avoid the insemination. This method also has some that is the drawbacks, as the pre-ejaculation fluid may contain sperms, and this can cause the fertilization. So this is the second, it is the third one, lactational, that is the amenorrhea. This is about the absence of menstruation. This method is based on the fact that ovulation does not occur during the period of intense lactation following the parturition. Therefore, as long as the mother breastfeed the child fully, changes of conception are almost negligible. However, this method also has high chances of failure. Third one. Fourth one, chemically means spermicides. In this method, chemical like foam, tablets, jellies, and creams are used by the female partner before sexual intercourse. If these chemicals are introduced into the vagina, the adhesion to the mucous membrane immobilize and kill the sperms. It may cause allergic reaction. This method also has chances of failure of fertilization. Now fifth one, mechanical means barriers methods. In this method, with the help of barriers, the ovum and sperms are prevented from physical meeting. These mechanical barriers are three, that is the types. Just wait. Now before that one, mechanical means before one, that is the fifth one, physical or oral, that is the devices. Physical devices are used in the form of tablets and hence are popularly called pills. It is an oral contraceptive used by the females. The pill that is contain progesterone and estrogen. They inhibit ovulation, hence no eggs are released from the ovary of female using these pills, and thus conception cannot occur. They also alter the quality of cervical mucus to prevent the entry of sperms. The pills have side effects such as nausea, weight gain, tenderness of breast, and slight blood loss between menstrual period. The pills, that is the name Sahili, is an oral contraceptive for females with the non-steroidal. Sahili is be taken once in a week. These pills are sponsored by the government. These tablets. Now next one, other contraceptives. The birth controlled implant as an contraceptive used by the female. It is a teeny thin rod about the size of an matchstick. It is implanted under the skin of the upper arm. They contain progesterone and estrogen. Their mode of action is similar to that of the pills. They prevent the pregnancy for 3 to 4 years. This is the other contraceptives. Next, the okay. Next lecture we shall study about the mechanical means. Okay. Thank you.